Hello everyone, welcome to General Education. Today we're going to discuss about mixture and alligation. In this video, we're going to solve questions on profit and loss, percentage, ratios, proportion, mixture, etc. by using simple method called mixture and alligation method. Here in this page, I have mixture and alligation method. Please take screenshot and take a note of it. Here in mixture and alligation, we have in first item we have profit. Here in the second item we have profit. In first and second together we have profit again, and then the ratio we have cost price or quantity ratio. Why do we get cost price or quantity ratio in this profit method? We have here we have profit percentage, and then profit is calculated upon cost price, selling price, and cost price. Here we know cost price, profit is calculated upon cost price. Here in the same case, we have in the first item loss percent, second item loss, the third we have loss again, overall loss percent, and then the ratio will be having cost price or quantity ratio, because we know calculate loss percent is calculated upon cost price. Here in the same case we have here average, and overall average, and the difference is quantity ratio. Hence we are doing this because average is calculated upon total number is quantity. Please take screenshot of this. And then in the next page we have here we have cost price in the first item, in the second item cost price, overall cost price, and then the ratio we have quantity ratio, because we have cost price is calculated upon quantity. Here kilogram or quantity, I'm naming this. Also in the speed we have speed here, speed, and the difference ratio is time, because speed is calculated upon time here. And time also we have time, and then we have speed ratio, because time is calculated upon speed. And here similarly we have discount percent, and then we have mark price here, because we have discount percent is calculated upon mark price. So friends, let us start solving questions. We have in the first question, in a classroom of 120 students, we have 120 students here, and then the average boys is 39. Average of boys is 39, and then the average age of girls is 15. Average girls is 15, and then the average of both boys and girls in the ratio is 35. We have both boys plus girls average, overall average is we have 35 here. Now let us take the ratio. 39 minus 35 is we have 4 here, and then 35 minus 15 we have 20 here. This is going to be the quantity or number ratio as we have discussed in the previous slide. We have 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, that is 5:1. This 5:1 plus total is 6 here. We have 6, we have 120 students according to the question. We have 6 2 is 12, and then find the number of boys in the classroom. The number of boys is here 5 units. 5 into 20 is 100 boys we have. That is option A. The next question we have a trader had 9 quintal of wheat. Trader have 9 quintal, and he sold first part. He sold a part of it at 10% profit. Here we have first part, that is 10% profit, and then in the rest, the remaining he sold at 20% profit. 20% profit. 20% profit, and he made a total profit of 14%. Overall profit is we have 14% here. Profit of 1 and 2 together, they have 14% total profit. The difference here is 14 minus 10 is we have 4 here, and then 20 minus 14 we have 6 here, and this one will be the quantity or cost price ratio. We have 2 to the 4, 2 3 to 6, we have 5 here, 5 units we have. Also we have here the question, the answer is in kilogram. but the question is given in quintal. We need to change this quintal into kilogram. We have 9 quintal equal to 9 into 100 kg kilogram, that is 900 kilometer 900 kilogram. We have 5 units, we have 900 kilogram, that is 9 5 1 to 5 5 is a 40 180. So how much weight did he sell at 20% profit? 20% profit quantity is 2 units here into 180, that is 3600 360 kg. That is option B is the correct answer. In the next question, we have a man buys 2 horses for rupees 1550. The total cost price is 1550. We have he sell one so as to lose 23%. We have in the first case we have 23% loss. For loss, I will be taking minus here. That is loss percent. And then the other one, the second horse, he sells as to gain 20%. That is profit. Profit percent is 27%. And then on the whole transaction, he neither gains nor lose. He neither gains nor lose means he has 0% here. So we have the difference between 0 and minus 23 is, let us take 0 is greater than minus 23. So 0 minus 23, we have 0 plus 23, we have 23 here. So I'm going to write 23 here. And then we have again 27 we have here. What does its cost horse cost? Now let us take the total here. 3 plus 7 is 10, 2 to the 4, 5. We have 50 units total here, and 50 units is 1550. That is 0, 0, 5, 3 to 15, 5 from the 5, and then each course will have into 31. That is 837, and we have to 31. We have 713. That is option C is the correct answer. In the next question, we have Joey purchased 2 cars for total 80 lakhs. That is cost price equal to 80 lakhs. And then later on, he sold the first car at, and in the first car, we have 60% profit. In the second, we have the car at 32% profit. 32% profit, both a profit, and then thereby he gains 20% overall. Overall here he gains 20%. Let us take the difference here. We have, this is going to be the cost price ratio. 20 minus 16 is 4. We have 32 minus 10 is 20 is, we have 12 here. 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, we have 3 is to 4. This is the cost price ratio, but the question is saying what is the selling price of the first car. So we have cost price ratio, cost price ratio, but we need selling price. We do not know selling price, so we have here 4 units. We have cost price, total cost price, we have 4 units, that is 80 lakhs. So 4 to the 8 for 20 lakhs. That means first car we have cost price 20 lakhs. That is 3 to the 6, 60 lakhs. We have 60 lakhs here. So we have for the first car we have, according to the question, 16% profit. 16% profit means 4 by 25. This is going to be the profit. This is going to be the cost price. Therefore, selling price ratio will be 29 by 25. This is going to be the selling price, and this is going to be the cost price. Therefore, we have if 25 is going to be 60 liter or 60 lakhs, that is if 25 is going to be 60 lakhs, that is we need 29 units here. 29 units will be 60 divided by 25 into 29. Then after cancelling, we'll be having 69.6 lakhs. That is option C. And then the next question we have, what quality of wheat at rupees 9.30% per kg is mixed with another quality at a certain rate? We are in the ratio 8 is to 7. If the mixture so formed be what 10%, rupees 10 per kg, what is the rate per kg of the second quality? We have first quality we have rupees 9.3 9.3 per kg. We have in the second quality we do not know, and then the overall quality we have rupees 10 per kg, and then the quantity ratio is according to the question 8 is to 7, and then the real differences we have 10 minus 9.3 is equal to 0.7, but according to the questions we have 7 here, but so we need to get 0.7 by multiplying by 1 by 8 or 1 by 10. So here also we'll be multiplying by 1 by 10, so we'll be getting 0.8. So this 0.8 must be added to 10, so we have 10.8 here. That is option D is the correct answer, 10.8. And the next question we have, in what ratio should 20% ethanol solution must be mixed with 40% ethanol solution to obtain 28% ethanol solution? We have first mixture we have 20% ethanol, and the second mixture we have 40% ethanol, and after mixing these two mixture, that is 1 plus 2 at mixture 1 plus mixture 2, we have overall 28% ethanol, and then the ratio, it is quantity ratio will be 28 minus 20 is 8 here, and then 40 minus 28 is 2, 1, 12 here, 2, 3 is 4, 3 is 12, 4, 2 is 8, this is 3 is to 2, option C is the correct answer. In the next question, we have a trader had 960 kg of rice. We have quantity 960 kg of rice, and he sold part of it at 20% profit. First part he sold 20% profit, and the second part he sold the rest at the remaining at 8% profit. 8% profit we have here, and then so that he made a total profit he is earning 12%, and then let us take the difference here. There is the quantity. It is going to be the quantity ratio. 20 minus 12 will be getting 8 here, and then 12 minus 8 will be getting 4 here. That is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore the total quantity is 3 units here, and according to the question we are given 960 kg quantity. It is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 0. Therefore the question is how much rice did he sell at 8%. 8% we have 2 units here. We have here 8% we have 2 units quantity, that is into 320, that is 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 640 kg he sold at 8% profit. That is option D is the correct answer. In the next question we have, in the container of wine there is 50% spirit is if some part of the mixture is replaced by another wine, 20% spirit, such that a new mixture percentage of spirit becomes 25%. Here we have in a mixture that is 50% spirit. This mixture is taken out, some unknown quantity is taken out and then added with the same quantity. That is the second mixture is having 20% spirit, and the first mixture is having 50% spirit. This quantity, these two mixture is mixed together, and we are having 25% spirit here. Now the quantity ratio will be 50 minus 25. We're getting 25 here, and then 25 minus 20, we're getting 5 units here. That is 505. 5 5 is 25. Now total is 6 units here, and then the replace, this one is the replace This one is the replace quantity, because we know that from mixer 1 some quantity is replaced, some quantity is removed and replaced by another mixer. That's why this replace quantity is 5 units. So 5 units removed from quantity 1. So the correct option is option C. The next question we have, in an industry the average salary of manager and worker is 88,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively. The average salary of all the manager and worker is 24,500. If there are 38 managers in the industry, find the total number of employees, manager and workers both. Here it is very simple question. We have, according to the question, average salary of managers, and then here average salary of workers, and then total average we're having, and then this we're giving quantity ratio, quantity of manager and quantity of worker, total number of worker. So let us use this formula. This formula I have given in the first and second slide. So here the average salary of manager is 88,000 we have, and then worker part we have 15,000 average, and then the total overall average salary is 24,500. And let us take the difference here. The difference is 005 7 minus 4 3, and then 8 minus 2 6 we have, and then 15 means 9500. So 00 cancel, 9 1 is 9, 9 4 5 1 is 5, 5 9 is 45, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. We have, yeah, according to the question we have 19. There is number or quantity, we have 19 managers in 19 units, and according to the question we are having 38 managers. 38 managers multiplied by 2, 19 to the 38, so total we are having 123 plus 19, that is 12, 2 3 4 and 1 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 and the 2. I'm sorry, I have done a little mistake here. We have, actually there is 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 7 the 35. Actually it is 127, not 123. I'm sorry for that. So the total is 6 here, and then 1 2 3 4 and 1. So multiply by 2, we are giving 2 6 the 12, 2 4 the 8, 9 2 and the 2, 292 is the total number of manager and workers both. So option A is the correct answer. And the next question we have 70% of loan at an interest 9.5% per annum, and the balance 19.5% per annum. What is the interest at the full amount? We have here quantity is 20%, and then the remaining will be 30%. In the 20% part he is giving 9.5% loan, and then in the second part, there is the remaining part, he is giving 19.5% here. And then what is the interest rate or full amount? That is the overall amount we need to find out. So we have quantity ratio 20 is to 30. Let us cancel 0 0, that is 7 is to 3. Now as I have told you, let us check the difference here. Here the difference is 19 minus 5, 19.5 minus 9.5 is we have 10 units here. And then this, let us take the quantity here, 7 plus 3 equal to 10 here. That means our equation is balanced. Now we are ready to do the operation. That is 9.5 plus 3 will be getting 12.5%. So 12.5% is the overall interest amount. If you have doubt here, please recheck again. 19.5 minus 12.5, 19.5 minus 12.5, we're getting 7 here. So we have 7 here. That means our calculation is correct. So option B is the correct answer. In the next question, we have a shopkeeper mix soybean at rupees 12 per kg with soybean 9.9 per kg in the ratio A is to B, and he sold the mixture at 11 per kg to have profit 12.5% of the total investment. Here we have the formula cost price, and then overall cost price after the mixture, and then we are getting here quantity ratio, quantity, we're getting ratio here. So let's use this. In the first case, we have rupees cost price is rupees 12, and then 12 per kg. Then in the second item, cost price is rupees 9 here, but here we are not given cost price, we are given selling price. The selling price is rupees 11 per kg, so we cannot put 11 kg per rupees 11 per kg because it is selling price. We need to put cost price here, so 11, putting 11 here is going to be wrong. So again, in the next part, we are given profit 12.5% profit. We know that 12.5 profit is 1 by 8. This one is profit and one is cost price. Then 9 by 8, this is going to be the selling price, and this is going to be the cost price. So if 9, that is selling price, we have rupees 11, and then cost price, that is 8, will be giving 11 by 9 into 8, that is 88 by 9. So we're going to write here cost price is 88 by 9 here. We need to find the difference 88 by 9 and 12. 88 by 9 minus 12, so this is fraction. I do not want to do with fraction, so I want to eliminate this fraction. So I'll be doing multiplying by here 9, 9, 9. So 9, 9 cancel. We have 9 to the 18, 9 1 the 9, 10, 102. The new number is 108, and then 9 9s are 81. Now let us take the difference. 108 minus 88 is 0, 20. We have 88 minus 81 is we have 7 here. Now the ratio is A is to B is 7 is to 20, so option A is the correct answer. And the next question we have, this is a cricket relating question. Please do not panic, this is a very simple question. A bowler gives a run at the rate of 11.5 run per wicket. In the next match, he takes 5 wickets for 40 runs. Because of this, his average is decreased by 0.5 run per wicket. Find the total number of wickets till last match. Here we have a bowler. A bowler means the person who throw the ball. We have average runs is equal to 11.5 runs per wicket. So our diagram will be here. Average run is calculated upon wickets here. So we'll be having average runs, and then here average runs, and then we'll be having average runs again, and here we'll be having wicket ratio. We'll be having wicket ratio here. So let us use this formula. Before last match, I'll say here before last match, and then after last match. Before last match, and here is last match. Before last match, it was his average runs was 11.5 runs per wickets. Here in the next question, in the next match, he takes 5 wickets for 40 runs, that means 5 wickets. 40 runs, that means 1 wicket equal to 5 as a 48 runs. So we have average. I can say in this term average runs, his average runs will be 8 runs per wicket. Per means 1 wicket. Here we have 1 wicket, 8 runs. So 8 runs per wicket. Here we have 8 here, and because of this, his average is decreased by 0.5 runs per wicket. Here we must know that the bowler is getting very efficient here. The accurate he throws the ball, the number of runs the batsman will be doing is less. It will decrease. That means bowler accuracy. The more accurate the bowling is, the runs, the decrease is the runs for the batsman. So we'll be doing plus the runs will be decreased by 0.5 according to this question. Because of this, the average is decreased. The average runs is decreased. It is saying average runs is decreased by 0.5 here, 0.5 run per wicket. So we have to subtract here by 0.5. That is, we have 11 here and 11. Now let us take the difference. We have 0.5 here, and then here wickets will be having 11 minus 8 is 3. Now 30 is to 5, that is 5. When the 5, 5, 6 at 30. Now according to the question, in the last match the wicket was 5 wickets. Is 1 unit gives 5 wickets, then the total wickets we have is 7 units. We have 7 units means we have 5 here, 5 7 are 35 wickets. For the whole match, his wickets was 35. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Again, let us do the same question to know more about such kind of questions. A cricket whose bowling average is 68, 26 average runs is 26.8 runs per wicket. Here we have before last match, that is he takes 5 wickets for 32 runs in the next match, thereby improving his average by 0.6 points in the last match. The number of wickets taken by him before the last match, here we have average. His average runs is 26.8. Again, in the last match, his average was 5 wickets and 32 runs. That means 1 wicket equal to 32 divided by 5, and 5 6 is 30, 5 4 is 20, that is 6.4. Again, the overall average is, and thereby improving his average by 0.6 for his last match. His bowling is improving, so the run will be decreasing by 0.6 here. That means 0.6 means 2 6 2, and then the difference, that is wickets here, wickets ratio is we have 0.4 and then 6 0.6 we have here, and here we have 19.8. After cancelling we have 33 here, and then here we have 1 here. According to the question, in the last match his wickets was 5, that is 1 unit is 5 wickets. Then the number of wickets taken by him before the last match means before the last match will be here. This before last match is multiplied by 5. This 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 16, 165 wickets was 6 wickets before the last match. This is option A is the correct answer. And the next question, we have a battling average of a cricketer is 50 runs per inning. Here in the previous questions, our protagonist, our main character was the bowler here, the one who throws the ball. Here in this question, the difference is here the main person is the battling the batsman here. So our question will be a little bit twisted here. Please watch. The battling average of a cricketer is 50 runs per inning. Here in this question, it will be battling ratio, battling average is equal to 50 runs per innings. Here our diagram will be battling average here and inning here. It is our battling average is calculated upon inning, so we'll be having battling average here, again battling average here, and then battling average again, and then we'll be having inning here and then inning here. So this is our diagram. Let us use this diagram here. Before last match, I'm going to write here before last match, and then here last match. Before last match, his battling ratio was 50 runs per innings, and then in the next five innings, we have 400 runs. That means for one inning, we have 5 as a 40, 0, that is 80 runs, or I can say his battling average is 80 runs per wicket. Per inning. I'm sorry, it is inning, not wicket. So here we have 80 runs. Again, in the second part of the question, we have thereby increases battling average. Here his battling average, the more the increase, if he increases battling average, he'll be having more runs. His runs also will increase, so his I'll put here plus 5. Here we have 55 battling ratio, or battling average is increased by 5 units. So we'll be having the inning ratio. Inning ratio is 55 minus 50 is here 5 we have, and then we have 80 minus 55 is 5, and 25 here we cancel it. 5 on the 5, 5 on the 25, and then the question is saying in the last it was 5 innings. In the last match it was 5 innings, then this one will be multiplied by 5, 5 by the 25, 25 innings. Total number of innings he played by him till the last match is 25 plus 5 is 30 innings. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 15 is also the same case. The battling average is 22 runs per innings, and then we have last match here. Its battling average was 22 here, and this one is before last match. Okay, before last match, and this one is last match. In the next 4 innings, that is 4 innings, we have he scores 80 runs. That is one inning will be getting 20 runs. That is battling average. New battling average will be having 20 runs per innings. So we have 20 here, and then let us take the second question. Then thereby decreasing his battling by 2 runs. Therefore, this time his efficiency is decreasing and his battling average is decreasing by 2 runs. Okay, now we have 70 here. The difference, that is inning ratio, is 22 minus 20 is 2 here. 70 minus 20 we have 50 here. 2 ones are 2, 2, 25. We have 1 unit is we are having 4 innings according to the questions. That means what is the total number of innings played by him till the last match? Means total is 26 we have here. 26 into 4. We're having 4 6 are 24. 4 2 is 8 9 10. 104 innings. That is option D is the correct answer. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you so much.